Hey, what's up? Wanna go on this exciting trip with me? I got you. Hey, what's up guys? Robbie Domingo here for Phirst Park Homes. Today, join me as I take you on this very special trip to our Phirst community. Now, I know you might be asking, Robbie, paano namin gagawin yun? Ang hirap na nga lumabas because of safety protocols. We hear you. It's a bit challenging for us right now. And of course, health is our top priority. But don't worry, there's still a way for us to take you there. Akong bahala sa inyo. So if you want to check out these amazing houses, the wonderful amenities, and unique offerings that you can only get from Phirst Park Homes, stay throughout the whole video. And I guarantee you, you will have the best moment of your life. Hey, Rosie!
Hi, Robbie!
Alright, so listen. I really wanted to visit my place there in Phirst Park Homes and take the viewers on a trip to the community. But alam mo naman kung ano nangyayari, yung sitwasyon ngayon, ang hirap lumabas. So naisip ko, is it okay if you do the tour in my place?
Yun lang ba? Sure, no problem.
Yes! Maraming salamat. You are a lifesaver. I'll be supporting you all the way as I watch with our viewers.
Alright, chill ka muna dyan. I got this. Wait, i-landscape natin para mas maganda. Hi, this is Rosie Doms. Welcome to Phirst Park Homes. I'm here in Batolao, one of the current projects of Phirst Park Homes. Can you believe this is only 15 minutes away from Tagaytay and 30 minutes away from the beautiful beaches of Nasugbu? Phirst Park Homes has other projects in Tanza, Cavite, Lipa, Batangas, Calamba, Laguna, San Pablo, Laguna, Pandi, Bulacan, and the newest addition, Magalang, Pampanga. Now, what I love about all of these Phirst Park Homes is they're accessible from the main roads. At syempre, malapit sa mga establishment. As a wife and a mom myself, I know that it's one of the most important things to consider when buying your new home. Proximity to the malls, hospitals, churches. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Because for my own observation, lahat yan, check sa Phirst Park Homes. By the way, for those of you who are not familiar yet with Phirst Park Homes, this is a partnership between Century Properties Group Incorporated and Mitsubishi Corporation. So two very distinguished businesses coming together that will really give you that feeling that you can trust them to deliver quality living without breaking the bank. Siyempre, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan ganyan ang hanap natin. Maganda, dekalidad, para you get your money's worth. Oh, bago tayo pumunta sa mga units, pasok muna tayo sa sales pavilion. Pero, safety first! What really stands out about Phirst Park Homes is their brand pillars, the 4 C's. Complete, conceptive, connected, and convenient. Naku, tandaan nyo yan. Kasi mamaya may quiz tayo. Why complete? Because when you buy your Phirst Park home, it's already fully finished. As in, appliances and furnitures na lang yung iisipin mo and you can already live there. Unlike when you buy from other housing communities, dami mo pang iisipin, bibilin bago ka makalipat. I'll show you the houses and all its features later para you'll know exactly what I mean when I say that a Phirst Park home is complete. Siyempre, kung bibili ka ng bahay, hindi lang naman yung mismong bahay yung titignan mo. You also have to consider the environment and the community. And this is where the second C comes in. Conceptive. Phirst Park Homes goes beyond the usual amenities like the pool or the clubhouse. For example, here in Batolao and in Lipa, we have traditional Filipino games like patintero and tumbang preso, life-sized board games in Pandi, and health and wellness zones in San Pablo and Calamba. And in Tanza, they even have an outdoor cinema like this one. These amenities foster fun and lively communities. And as a parent, that's what we want, right? For the family to be able to have fun outside where it is safe and secured. Speaking of connections, alam naman natin how important internet is nowadays. That's why Phirst Park Homes made sure the community is connected. They put Wi-Fi nodes all over the place, so your work from home setup or study from home setup will never be an issue. Now, here's one of the things that I found really impressive here. They have a village shuttle that takes you to the nearest transport hubs within the area. So, if you are husband and wife, one of you can take the car and the other can easily commute using the village shuttle. The fourth C, convenient. I'm telling you guys, it's so easy to buy your first park home. Later on, I will give you the step-by-step procedure, but I promise, they're so easy to follow and understand. Now I know this is what you've all been waiting for. Tara, let's go tour the houses. They have three types of houses here. The Calista, the Una, and the Buena, which is exclusive here in Batulao. But the Calista and the Una are available in all locations. So, since Una siya, unahin na natin si Una. So from the exterior pa lang, kitang-kita na it's very classy, it's very elegant. That is actually what Century Properties is known for. And they were able to give that Century Properties touch to Phirst Park Homes. Guys, look at this. There's a steel gate, a fence, and even a house number. Upon turnover, meron na lahat niyan. There's a lot of space here on the side of the house to the back. You can use this space to park your car, or if you have a dog, you can put up a dog house here, or just use this space to play with the kids. I have 3 kids and I'm sure they will love this. Now let's go to the service area. This is the place where you can use as your dirty kitchen or do your laundry. It's totally up to you. Now, let's go back to the front. There's a sliding glass window here outside. The door is steel, so it's sturdy. And when you go inside, welcome to my crib. Look, the floors are tiled with vinyl planks. So again, upon turnover, the floors would be tiled like this already. This is the living area. Imagine yourself lounging here. Nakaka-relax, diba? And then behind me, that's the dining area. And over there is the kitchen area. Tara! As you can see, there's already a sink and a kitchen top. And these are inclusive when you purchase the units. Pero syempre, yung mga decorations, etc. na nakikita natin dyan, for inspiration lang. There's one toilet and bath here, but there's another one upstairs. At pagka-purchase mo ng unit, yung nakikita natin na sink, kasama na yan. Kasama na rin ang toilet, and even the shower head, inclusive na upon turnover. There are already provisions for lighting, cables. So everything is ready. Ikakabit mo na lang. Let's go upstairs. These handrails are made of steel, and the first few steps of the stairs, these are concrete. All the rest are wood na. Again, everything included already with the unit. Here's the second toilet and bath. And there are 3 bedrooms. One of the bedrooms, you can turn into a home office. Mama-maximize mo yan ng sobra ngayon kasi uso ang work from home, di ba? Now, let's go check out the Calista. There are 3 types of Calistas. The Calista End, the Calista Mid, or you can combine the two and make a Calista pair. To give you a peek of what's inside, let's go check out the Calista End. This is what makes the Calista End special. This space right here. So over there, you have a carport, and this one, you can use this space for your gardening and have barbecue with your family. Another feature that makes Phirst Park houses complete is the white painted walls. So upon turnover, your house already has a smooth paint finish. And can you see these windows? It's so bright in here. And it means so much to me as a mom, because can you imagine the cost that you can cut by not having to turn on the AC or the lights all day? Here we have the dining, the kitchen, and the toilet and bath. So like the Una, this unit also has steel handrails and wooden stairs. There are 2 bedrooms here on the second floor. So if you're a newlywed, you can turn this into your master's bedroom. And we have another room right here. This one, you can turn into your interest room. It's so cozy. The ambience is so warm and welcoming, and I can imagine myself just lounging here after a day's work and maybe having a drink with my husband. Now, I'll show you something special. This is the expanded version of the Calista Mid. Every Phirst Park home is ready for expansion. So as your family grows, mas nakakaipon ka ng konti, you can have your home improved and expanded. Nice, right? You have a home that is ready to grow with you. This is the standard unit and this is the expanded version. Let's go in. Make a Calista pair, you can combine one mid unit and one end unit, or you can combine two mid units. It's totally up to you. But if you combine one end unit and one mid unit, it's going to look like this. Tara, pasukin natin! This is what used to separate the two units. Pero dahil dito, isa na lang siya. So this is what you'll get upon turnover. It's a hassle-free move-in because the house is already complete. The only things missing are the furnitures and you. Now here comes the last house model, the Brenna. It's a bungalow and it's perfect for families who want a one-floor layout home, especially those who want better accessibility for movements. Let's check out what's inside. It has all the features of the other house model units, only that the layout is different. As you can see, the space is very open. I'm here right now in the living room. Here is the dining area. Here's the kitchen. Here's the toilet and bath. And here's one of the two bedrooms. And here's the other one. As you can see, the Brenna has relatively high ceilings, so that means better ventilation. Again, this is just for inspiration, to give you an idea how you can make your home look more spacious, more beautiful, or more pleasing to the eyes. Pero eto guys, pro tip, Pinterest. Make an account on Pinterest. You'll get a lot of ideas there for the interiors of your home, including repurposing parts of your house that you haven't even thought of using before. You know what guys? Visualization is very important. If you can dream it, it's easier to grasp it. So kahit dream pa lang yung pagbili ng bahay, okay lang yan. Make a vision board and maybe you can name it My Very First Home. And now that you've seen all the model units, let's go to one of the most important questions. How do I purchase my first Park home? As promised, it is convenient and it only takes 5 steps. Step 1, reservation. Just pay the reservation fee, bring valid IDs, complete the documents, and after a month, you can already start paying for your down payment. Now, when it comes to loan applications, don't worry because Phirst Park Homes will guide you with this. Step 2, booking. Once First Park Homes secures the letter of guarantee from your chosen financial institution, and once you're done paying 5% of your down payment, the construction of your new home will now begin. Step 3, house completion. After 12 months, you should have already paid the down payment in full. Step 4, loan takeout. First Park Homes will now take out your loan from your financial institution. And this is also the time when you start paying the loan amortization through your bank. Step 5, house turnover. After 15 to 17 months and upon your inspection of the finished unit, now your house will be turned over to you. And now you have your first home at First Park Homes. Diba? Ang dali. Hey Robbie, you still there?
Of course! Wow, seeing you tour the community made me really excited to visit my first home again.
Nako, don't worry. After this, you can visit your new house anytime you want. Invite mo kami, ah.
Oh, promise ko yan. Once again, thank you so much, Rosie, and you stay safe out there.
You too. See you soon.
And that's it for our first trip to First Park Homes. O, di ba? Didn't I tell you, it will be worth your time. Ako sobrang enjoy talaga ako. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I did because it's really nice. The houses, the community, the environment. You know, it's really amazing that you can live like that pala. Imagine having this elegant house set in a pleasant community without costing too much. Premium living without the premium price tag. So if you want to become a first home owner just like me after watching this video, make sure to inquire on our official social media channels and website to get your very first home today. I'll be expecting your message. Again, this has been Robin Domingo for First Park Homes. Stay safe and see you soon. First Park Homes, a first that lasts. Oops! Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more updates.